Yo, 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 what's up? Gonna put some videos on YouTube. Here, dude, film me doing one.
It's still filming.
Yeah, I know, film me doing one.
Oh, we're gonna make a long film. I get you.
Yeah, I know, my friend.
Go.
Kickflip. Back up away from the rail so I can run it all time. This is my dog Blackie. He farts a lot. Go Brandon! Do some ollies. Do a YouTube ollie.
YouTube ollie.
Oh! Oh!
You're busting my crack.
Kickflip attempt 2!
And then I'll kickflip attempt 1.
Nope, I get to go again.
Whatever. Snap 3. Snap 4.
I'll kick.
Didn't see it. Snap 5.
What?
I'm just kidding. I got it.
Alright.
Now here, it's my turn. Shove it.
Screw up.
Whatever.
Go for it! Oh, dude.
That hurt, dude. Oh my god.
Say, this was my slide story. Here's the real kickflip attempt and fall again.